school Cummins shit, baby. Or crap. I'm about to go grab a skid steer from a local rental company because I can't afford skid steer. We're going to be moving some motors around. We got a bunch of Ford motor jobs at our shop. That's what we do for a living. I know we don't talk about it all the time on the page, but I own a diesel performance shop and we build cool diesel trucks. And I can't afford skid steer to move the motors around. So sometimes I go rent one.
So send donations for skid steer?
Send donations for skid steer, yeah. That'd be great. If I didn't have to rent one all the time, I might be able to afford more truck parts. This is the latest project, 04 Cummins 3500 dually. We're doing all sorts of dope shit to this truck. It's getting some Legion forged billet wheels. It's getting a custom pearl white full wrap, Laramie sport bumpers. It's gonna get a new upgraded radio in it. It's got a built motor right now with big injectors, big turbo, dual disc clutch. This truck's wicked. We'll probably have it for sale once I'm done with it. So if you're interested in buying a nice truck that goes fast and looks good, this one might be for you. I don't know if all the e-brake works on this thing, so I'm putting it in gear too. On today's episode of Can I Borrow Some Money? Can I borrow some money?
What are you doing?
Flaming hot. Too much boost. Unhook that side, Jared. Hey, buddy. On today's episode of Whistling Diesel, I'm gonna jump this skid steer over the shop and get the motor at the same time. Me and Jared were watching an episode of Whistling Diesel on the way here. While I was driving this piece of crap Cummins.
Why is it piece of crap Cummins?
He doesn't like the
Just
shifty
ain't a
thing.
goddamn 10-speed Denali, dude. The 10-speed Denali just does a tad bit better. A lot of bit better, actually.
What do you need ramps for, dude?
You know, it's a fucking rental, and yeah.
Yeah, it's a rental.
Worried about that deposit.
Yeah.
My dad, he didn't give me any more allowance this month.
Yeah, we definitely should be wearing that hat. It's very fitting. Daddy's money.
Indeed.
Whistling Diesel 2.0.
I gotta pee.